Ciao Srima, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefan. You can find me on Instagram by the name Stefan or in English Stefan TTT. And today I am reacting to another song that will compete in Eurovision 2021, and the country this song will represent is Belgium. Now, if you want to know what I think about it, what are my expectations, my opinions, and of course my final rating of it, then keep on watching. Alright guys, if you are maybe not familiar, today is the official start of Eurovision Marathon 2021. If you're still confused what I'm talking about, you will notice that a lot of countries will release their entries in the next few days, which means there is gonna be a lot of work for me to do. Therefore, I'm gonna try to shorten these videos for the sake of my own sanity. When it comes to the Belgium in Eurovision Song Contest in general, I need to mention two of my favorite acts. One was back in 2006. I don't know how many of you remember that, but it goes like this. Je t'adore and I can't conceal it. Je t'adore, da 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 da. They didn't even qualify with this entry, but I just love this song and I have been listening to it in the past few days non-stop. And the second entry from Belgium that I absolutely adore was, I think, in 2015 with the song Rhythm Inside. I don't know if this sounds familiar, but it goes, and if we die tomorrow, da-dum-dum-dum-dum, for the wicked town down below. I'm not really sure how the lyrics goes, but it is such an amazing entry, and I recommend to all of you that you should check them out immediately after this video so you have a little throwback on some of the greatest Belgium entries. Now, speaking of this year, Belgium will be represented by the same artist they were supposed to be represented last year. Their name is Hooverphonic, it's the band, and last year's song was Release Me, and to be quite honest here, I didn't get a chance to react to it, but it was completely irrelevant. I didn't like it. It was nothing special, therefore it's the better I didn't. So this year, they are back with the song The Wrong Place, and I really hope that they stepped their game up. Whether they did it or not, we're gonna find out in a few seconds. What I would like to mention is that actually this band no longer has the same members, so they actually changed the lead one, and I believe that the singer that sings today's song is also different. I'm not really sure, that's what I read online. So, with nothing else left to say or do, let's jump into the reaction and let's see if Hooverphonic is better this year. Let's go. Je t'adore, here's my heart and take it. Je t'adore, only you can break it. You got me falling to the floor. Any way you want, I'm yours. Guys, you need to listen to this song. The Queen was so robbed back in 2006. I still am not over it. But enough about that. Today is the time for Hooverphonic 2021. Therefore, 3, 2, 1... go! Okay.
I wake up and I think I could use another drink. I'm reaching for a smoke to forget about last night.
Ooh.
Last night.
Oh. I'm reaching for the drink to smoke, trying to forget about last night. Don't tell me you have never. Don't tell me.
I get up cause I need a shot of instant remedy. I put a record on, it makes me think about last night.
Alright, this is already way much better than last year's. Like, it kind of got me into the song.
This trip, you started acting way too hip, that's why. Opening up.
Okay.
You're lying next to me,
Oh.
I don't know where to hide.
For some reason, my hair just went up. I love the aesthetic of the video. It, in a way, reminds me, I don't know if you heard about this series, Haunting of the Hill House. Like, she's the cursed bride in this house, cursed after having to spend the night with that man last night. So, I like this for some reason. I like it. And it also reminds me of the theme from The True Blood. Like, you can easily put this music in some scene in a series or in a movie. It is cool thing.
You wake up and you think you will need another drink. You don't want me to smoke, though I didn't stop last night.
You don't want me to smoke, but I didn't stop last night, and I never will. This just brought memories back to my head. No, let's not go there.
Last night, you get up as you need an organic cup of tea. You put a record on that makes you think about last night.
Oh.
Last night.
I don't understand why I find this song seductive. Like, that's the vibe it got me into. I'm like, last night, like smoking cigarettes, drinking, I don't even know. Let's go. Not the first and not the last one that will confuse you with the blurry eyes. We are all bastard, let's face it. That is so relatable. Maybe for me, maybe I'm that type of person, but you're lying next to me and I don't know where to hide. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about my personal life right now. It doesn't matter, let's go. I see your smiling face and that makes me wanna cry, because why the fuck did I just do this? Why did I bring that person to my bed? No offense to anyone who's watching this and that actually was in my bed. I should not talk that. I think I'm all red. I think I'm all red. Oh. Oh. You're in the wrong place. That's the thing you need to say in the morning. You are just in the wrong place. And that's it. This was a really interesting roller coaster for my thoughts, to be honest. What I can conclude is that I actually love this. It's a definite upgrade from the last year. Now, my concern here is this is a great song, as I said, for the movie and the series, but is this a really Eurovision entry? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure how this is gonna function on the stage. I'm not really sure what kind of energy she will bring in order to engage with the audience and to connect us with the song. But by this music video and by the whole message of the song, I am connected 100%. I believe this is a great piece that I'm probably gonna listen when I finish recording this on my way to the gym, because I was just vibing. The thoughts were coming to my head. Therefore, what is my final rating going to be? Drum rolls, please. I always do. Maybe I should change my movement for the drum rolls. My final rating for this is going to be a 7. I just surprised myself while I was saying it, but I actually really love the song. It is Western. It has this American Western culture vibe. The melody sounds so familiar, but in a good ways. Do you know those songs that you only hear on the movie and you never really find it, but you really enjoy it while you are listening it, and it just grabs you in the moment? This is that type of song and that type of music video. For me, this is a 7. I believe this is good music, and there is no denying about that. Is it for Eurovision? No, but Belgium is definitely not sending trash this year, and I live for that. So thank you, Belgium, for this wonderful piece. Good luck, and I'm really excited to see what you're gonna do in May. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching me today one more time. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As I said in the beginning, the marathon has begun and you're gonna get videos on a daily basis. Therefore, click that notification bell so you don't miss it, but I don't think that you will be able to miss it. So anyways, just subscribe. Thank you one more time, and tell me, what do you think about this song? And what I would actually love to know, where does it rank on your Eurovision chart right now? We already have like 13 songs. I lost the count, so tell me everything in the comments down below because I'm reading it all. See you in the next video, which will probably be Moldova, Romania, Russia, who knows? See you next time, bye!